Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. In the previous block, the fourth block, we learnt about the houses in the past and present. In this block, we learnt about how the houses were in the past in the villages, in the cities, and how they have changed now. We also learnt the conditions in the slums, how the people are living in such poor conditions without electricity, water. We also learnt about the life of construction laborers. Construction laborers, when they build such tall buildings for us, they live in very small houses, mostly without electricity or water supply. So, we finished all the 4 lessons. We also answered the practice questions in the textbook. We have written the notes in our classwork. So, here we are once again to begin a new block. This is block 5 students, and the lesson's name is Our Duties Towards Our Neighbors. Who are neighbors, children? Neighbors are the people who live near to us, right? So, in this lesson, we are going to learn what is our duty towards our neighbors. What is the right behavior? Okay, how our behavior should be with our neighbors, right? Let's move forward. We already know that neighbors are people who live near us. Today, we will learn about our duties towards our neighbors. Okay, what are our duties? What is the right thing for us to do towards our neighbors, right? And the keywords that we are going to learn in this lesson are neighbor, disabled, elderly, duty. Neighbor is someone who lives near us. Disabled, unable to use a part of the body completely or easily. Elderly, old people. Duty, something we must do because it is the right thing to do. Right? Let's move forward. So, today's activity. What is today's activity? So, here are some sentences here, some statements are given, and we have to find out, okay, which of these are the right things to do by our neighbors, whether these are right things to do by our neighbors or not. So, let us read this. Keeping our neighborhood clean. If it is right thing to do, put a tick. If it is a wrong thing to do, put a cross. Okay. Keeping our neighborhood clean, being polite to our neighbors, dumping garbage on the street, playing loud music, helping the elderly, helping sick neighbors, teasing neighbors' children, making fun of disabled neighbors, fighting with neighbors. In this 9 statements, which are the right things to do and which are wrong? The right things we are going to put a tick, the wrong things we are going to put a cross. Right, students? So, which of these are the right things to do by our neighbors? Which are not the right things to do by neighbors? Right? Okay, we are going to tick those that are right and cross those that are not right. So, let us watch this video, students.
Neighbors are people who live near us. A good neighbor keeps the neighborhood clean. Talks politely with neighbors. Helps sick, elderly, and disabled neighbors. And does not disturb other neighbors.
Let us watch this video once again.
Neighbors are people who live near us. A good neighbor keeps the neighborhood clean. talks politely with neighbours, helps sick, elderly and disabled neighbours, and does not disturb other neighbours.
So what did we learn from this video, children? What are the duties of a good neighbor? A good neighbor should not disturb others. A good neighbor should help the sick neighbors or the elderly neighbors, and we have to speak politely with our neighbors, right? Okay, let's move ahead.
Okay, now it's
Which of these should neighbors do? Which shouldn't they do? Among all these statements, which are the right things to do by our neighbors and which they should not do, right? Neighbors should keep the neighborhood clean. Neighbors should keep the neighborhood clean. They should respect and care for one another. They should not fight or tease one another. We should do things that make our neighbors happy and not those that hurt them. What are the duties of a very good neighbor? Let us read once again. Neighbors should keep the neighborhood clean. They should respect and care for one another. They should not fight or tease with one another. We should do things that make our neighbors happy and not those that hurt them. Right? So these were the activities that we read before. Let us see whether they are right or wrong. Keeping our neighborhood clean, right, you should do that. Being polite to our neighbors, right, we should do that. Dumping garbage on the street, no, you should not do that. What is the right thing, children? Garbage should be dumped in the garbage bin. Playing loud music, do you think your neighbors will like that? No. Helping the elderly, yes. Helping sick neighbors, right. Teasing neighbors' children, no, you should not do that. Making fun of disabled neighbors, no, it is not right. Fighting with neighbors, no, it is not right. We should not do those. So let us learn further. What are our duties towards our neighbors? What are our duties towards our neighbors? We should love, respect, help and care for our neighbors. Love, respect, help and care for our neighbors. We should help them, talk politely and not do anything that disturbs them. As a good neighbor, we should help them, we should talk politely with them and not do anything that disturbs them. As a good neighbor, we should help our neighbors so that they too help us when we need them. As a good neighbor, if you help them when they need, they will also help you when you are in some problem, right? Do you think performing your duties towards your neighbors will make you a good human being too? Your good behavior towards your neighbor, will it help you? Give one reason for your answer. Yes. Being a good neighbor by caring, loving, respecting, sharing and helping others makes one a good human being. We'll be learning all the good manners, we'll be doing all the good actions, then we'll become the good human being, right? When you care for your neighbor, when you love, respect and share things with your neighbor, you are a good human being. A good human being learns to take care of, love and respect every other person and the country. What are the qualities of a good human being? They'll take care of, love, respect and every other person in this country, right? Now open your workbook, children. This is 5.1. 5.1. Put today's date. 5.1 worksheet, did you open? First question, fill in the blanks with correct words from the box. Okay, they have given us a help box. In that help box there are some words. What are these words? Let us read them. Respect, help, clean, fight, homework. Okay, respect, help, clean, fight, homework. Okay, wherever necessary you have to add these words in the blanks. A. It is our duty to keep our room dash. How should we keep our room? Clean. Clean is the answer. CLEAN. B. B sentence. We should dash our parents at home. What should we do? Respect. 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 Right? Next. We should not dash with our classmates. We should not fight with our classmates. Then we should study and complete our dash on time. Okay, these are the right things to do, beta. You should study and complete your homework on time. We should respect. Okay, we should first A1, it is our duty to keep our room clean. B1, we should respect our parents at home. We should not fight with our classmates. We should study and complete our homework on time. We should respect our elders and teachers. Right? Now, next question. Read the statements. Which of these are the duties of a good neighbor and which are of the bad neighbor? Nana, here they gave you 4 duties. Now, you should tell me whether these are the actions of a good neighbor or the actions of a bad neighbor. If it is the action of a good neighbor, then under that box you write good neighbor. If that action is bad, then you can write under the box bad neighbor. Okay, 4 empty boxes are given. You should write either good neighbor or bad neighbor. Okay, let us read the situation. Write good neighbor and bad neighbor in the boxes. A. I have a neighbor who always throws garbage on the streets. Okay, one neighbor is there, he always throws the garbage on street. Good neighbor or bad neighbor? Bad neighbor. Okay. B1. I have a neighbor who is always ready to help me. Good neighbor. You should write good neighbor because he is helping na. Then C1. One of my neighbors plays loud music every night. He is disturbing others, no? So he is a bad neighbor. C1 is a bad neighbor. Now D1. My neighbor brings milk for an old lady every day. So the neighbor is bringing milk for an old lady every day. He is a really good neighbor, right? Now let us read the next question. Question 3. Write any 2 things that will make you a good human being when you grow up. Okay. What are the 2 good things in your behavior? Okay. You have to write there. Respect. You can write 2 good things that will make me a good human being are respecting elders, loving others. Okay, 2 good things you can write. Now let us go for the next question. These are your practice questions, children. Open your content book. There you have this practice questions. Very, very easy. First question, fill in the blanks choosing words from the brackets. A. Neighbors live dash us. Near us or far from us? Yes, near us. Okay, put a tick on the word near and write it in the blank. Neighbors live near us. B sentence. Good neighbors talk dash with their neighbors. Good neighbors will talk politely with their neighbors. Okay, in a nice words they'll speak. Second question, write 2 ways in which a good neighbor can help a sick neighbor. How can we help a sick neighbor, children? Okay, think about the days when you were sick, when everyone was busy with their work, studies and job. You were lying there on the bed. So you really felt that someone should come and sit with you, your friends should come and play with you, right? So how can we help a sick neighbor? We can bring medicines for this sick neighbor. We can cook some easily digestible food for this neighbor. Okay, 2 things. You can cook food or you can be polite and help them and bring medicines. Third question, why is it important to be a good neighbor? Why it is important to be a good neighbor? Because if you are a good neighbor, then you will be showing your love, respect for others. Not only the neighbors, with every person in this country you will be very good. Then you will become a good human being. Now question 3, B bit. Write 3 duties that we have towards our neighbors. Okay, what is our duty towards our neighbors? What are the things that we have to do? Okay, for neighbors, we have to be polite, number 1. We have to be sharing, number 2. And we have to be helping. Okay, these 3 duties you can write, Nana. And we have learned this lesson about neighbors, what is the right behavior to be followed with our neighbors, right? And that's all for today, students. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.